Who first navigated the Northwest Passage? Have you ever wondered who first managed to navigate the Northwest Passage? This sea route connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the Arctic archipelago. The answer lies with Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen. His remarkable journey took place from 1903 to 1906, marking a significant moment in polar expeditions history. Amundsen set sail with a small crew of 6 aboard a fishing vessel called the Ura. And like many earlier British expeditions that used large ships, Amundsen chose a modest, shallow draft vessel. This decision was practical for the challenging Arctic conditions he would face. He navigated close to coastlines, which helped him avoid some of the dangers posed by the ice. A key part of Amundsen's success came from his interactions with the local Netsilik Inuit people. He spent 2 winters near King William Island, learning essential survival techniques and navigation skills. This knowledge was vital in helping him adapt to the harsh Arctic environment. The Northwest Passage had long resisted exploration due to its treacherous ice and complex geography. Before Amundsen, many explorers attempted to find this route. British expeditions led by Sir John Franklin in 1845 ended tragically when his ships became trapped in ice. Other explorers like John Ray and George Vancouver contributed to mapping parts of the Arctic coastline but did not complete the full passage by sea. It is also important to note that the indigenous Inuit peoples had been navigating parts of the Arctic region for centuries. They used kayaks and dog sleds to traverse sections of what would later be known as the Northwest Passage. However, Amundsen's expedition was the first recorded complete sea voyage through this challenging route. Amundsen's successful navigation of the Northwest Passage was a major milestone in polar exploration history. It demonstrated that maritime travel through the Arctic archipelago was possible. This opened up new possibilities for shorter trade routes between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The knowledge gained during this expedition also played a role in Amundsen's later achievement of being the first person to reach the South Pole. In summary, Roald Amundsen was the first to navigate the Northwest Passage entirely by ship, completing this journey between 1903 and 1906. His use of a small vessel and the wisdom gained from the Inuit people allowed him to overcome the challenges of the Arctic. This accomplishment remains a key event in the history of polar regions exploration.